Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to start off the video with breakfast. But as you guys can see, me and Yusuf also got some haircuts.
Yeah.
We both had really long hair, now it's very short, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
But I can't cut my hair anymore.
Yeah, so now we're going to show you the breakfast. Yasmin, what happened?
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Baba G's farm. Well, it's Sunday today. Gotta finish a few things off. Didn't really do much except for moving the firewood out yesterday. So I gotta go in there in that water tank again and cut the base out and put some dirt around it, cover all the holes, gaps, make sure no snakes can go back in there, hopefully. Yeah, Mom will be cutting the lawn, and what I gotta do is basically just remove some of that grass. I've got some wood chips sitting there, so I'm gonna put the green grass onto the wood chips, and hopefully that'll turn into mulch over the next month or so. And there's a lot more to do, I guess, I don't know, we'll see how we go. You always have planned to do heaps, but it's alright, we'll do whatever you can do. Yeah, anyways, stick around. This is the wood chip sitting here for a while now, so I thought, since we got heaps of this green grass, I'm going to chuck that on top and leave it here and put some cow's manure and some other stuff, and hopefully this will become a nice mulch in the next couple of months. This is looking good. Good job, Mom. Still got a long way to go on that side. Alright, you'll be wondering what I'm doing climbing up the tank. Well, this is our bore water tank, and as you can see, it's going down a bit because I use this water quite a bit lately. So what I need to do is I need to make sure that I keep refilling it. Normally it's got an auto pump, but I normally don't like auto pump, leaving it on because it comes on different timings. I prefer it comes on in my timings because then I can use it. I got solar, so it's nice, beautiful day today, sunny, so I may as well just run it a bit, so I'm not using any power. You can see the bore. I'm not sure if you can actually. There's a yellow little box thingy just behind this green there, so that's a bore. So I gotta go into the shed there. There's a switch there which I need to turn it on, which will turn the pump bore on, and eventually the water should come here. So let's try it. Oh yeah, this is the other side of that tank which I'm cutting it inside. So you can see they could probably come through here, just go from the side or somewhere, because I don't think they can go underneath. Maybe they could. Maybe they can go underneath. So I've got to put all the dirt around it to make sure nothing from the bottom can go inside. But that's how they're getting it in. And you can see chickens that are there. There's probably mouse there. And they go in. Oh, that was fast. Oh, that's good. And that's really nice. I'm going to leave this running for about an hour or so. So let's stop the show. So we'll stop this float. Once it gets up to the float and lifts up a bit, it should stop. I don't want to drop my phone in there. Yeah, so that's how we pump our water. So I got the rainwater as well for a house. There's 25,000 litres, 3 tanks, and this one. There's alpacas and sheep, I think, having a swim in the dam. It's a beautiful sound of the water. Nice and green this time of the year, mashallah. Alright, look at this. This looks heaps better, but still a lot more work to be done. So we're going to take some of this dirt off. Actually, it's nice dirt. I might put some of this in the veggie patch. But then get some hard dirt and put around it. You can see the holes there, so that's where they were probably going out. That light there. So really what I want to do is put heaps of dirt around the edges so nothing can come from the outside. Alright, so that's full, as you can see. I just have to go and turn it off. So that's job done. Very easy, all they have to do is turn the switch on. And now, there, you can see it's just turning it off. So basically that's how it works. So we got this floating up. Yeah, it's full. About an hour I took, and that's it. On for another couple of weeks.
Alright guys, so Dad has been working on this the whole day today. I've just come by, see what he's doing here and there. So what he's done is, he's actually cleaned the chicken coop. And also what he's done was, he took the metal off in here. So no snakes can come under it because, as you guys know, the snake was under and we were just walking all over it the entire time, which is dangerous for us, so it's good for Dad. Me and Dad, we're gonna go have dinner, and then after that we're gonna go play on the cricket pitch. Give me a bit of training.
Alright, it's dinner time. Yes, and I'm so hungry after working all day. And Mushi's already into it. And we're having today beef kadai with bangan, or with eggplants and cucumbers and roti and some yogurt, which is I have to go and get it, but yeah, can't wait. So Mushi hit the 6 that way to go and get the ball, but the grass is very long and I have to watch for the snakes. That is scary. Man, Mushi, why did you have to hit this way, man? Did you see it, Mom? Where is it? Come on guys, help me find it. I think it was here somewhere. And this grass is so long, I wouldn't find it here. No, can you see it, guys? There it is! Yes, got it! Really long start. He's gonna break that wicket. Told you. Very good. Good bowling.